I'm Ratna Bhushan, a friend, motivator, and guide to IAS aspirant, international motivational speaker, leadership trainer, CEO, coach, political strategist, and policy advisor. Welcome to ASD. ASD believe in quality, commitment, and success. Ahimsa and truth are so intertwined that it is practically impossible to disentangle and separate them. They are likely two sides of the coin, or rather, smooth unstamped metallic disc. Who can say which is the obverse and which is the reverse? Nevertheless, ahimsa is the means, truth is the end. Ahimsa is the means, truth is the end. This quote is Mahatma Gandhi from the book The Words of Mahatma Gandhi, written by Richard Attenborough. The most important news of today are: source, The Hindu newspaper. US examines if Riyadh has nuclear goals. US examines if Riyadh has nuclear goals. Intel flags China-Saudi bid to develop fuel that can be enriched into a weapon fuel. US intelligence agency are scrutinizing efforts by Saudi Arabia to build up its ability to produce nuclear fuel that could put the kingdom on a path to developing nuclear weapons. Spy agency in recent weeks circulated a classified analysis about the efforts underway inside Saudi Arabia working with China to build industrial capacity to produce nuclear fuel. The analysis has raised alarms, and there might be a secret Saudi Chinese effort to process raw uranium into a form that could later be enriched into weapons fuel, according to a US official. As part of the study, they have identified a newly completed structure near a solar panel production near Riyadh that some experts suspect could be a un, undeclared nuclear site. US officials said that the Saudi Arabia efforts were still in an early stage, and that intelligence analysis had yet to draw from the conclusion about some of the sites under construction. Even if the kingdom has decided to pursue a military nuclear program, they said it would be years before it could have the ability to produce a single nuclear warhead. Saudi officials have made no secret for their determination to keep pace with Iran, which has accelerated since President Donald Trump abandoned in the 2015 nuclear deal with Tehran. Crown Prince Mohammed bin Salem Mohammed bin placed in 2018 that his kingdom would try to develop or acquire nuclear weapons if Iran continued its work toward a bomb. Last week, the House Intelligence Committee, including a provision in the Intelligence Budget Authorizations Bill requiring the administration to submit a report about Saudi efforts since 2015 to develop a nuclear program, a clear indication that committee suspect that some undeclared nuclear activity is going on. US Congress panel flags restrictions in Kashmir. Restrictions in Kashmir. US Congress panel flags restriction in Kashmir. MEA says governance development situation has improved. A year after government altered the status of the former state of Jammu and Kashmir by diluting Article 370, the leadership of an important committee of the US Congress noted with concern that conditions in the region have not returned to normalcy. In letter dated August 5, an address directly to External Affairs Minister S. Jaishankar, chairman of the powerful House Foreign Affairs Committee HFAC, Democrat Eliot Engel, and ranking member Republican Michael McCaul, who formerly headed the House Homeland Security Committee, underscored the bipartisan nature of the concern over Jammu and Kashmir and the larger context of the bipartisan support for the US-India relationship. It is because of our support for bilateral relationship that we note with the concern that conditions in Jammu and Kashmir have not been normalized 1 year after a repeal of the Article 370 and establishment of Jammu and Kashmir as a union territory, the Congress wrote. We acknowledge the ongoing serious security and concern. And everybody know what Pakistan is doing, but nobody is just. Manoj Sinha appointed J&K LG Murmu CAC. Former Minister of State for Railway and BJP leader Manoj Sinha was on Thursday appointed the Lieutenant Governor of Jammu and Kashmir after incumbent incumbent, GC Murmu, a former IAS officer, resigned on Wednesday. Mr. Murmu was appointed the Controller CAG, Controller and Auditor General of India. GC Murmu. Mr. Sinha will be the third governor and lieutenant governor appointed by the BJP government in J&K in 3 years. Mr. Murmu's appointment was preceded by that BJP leader Satyapal Malik, who was sent to Goa as governor when J&K was reduced to union territory. The special status of J&K under Article 370 was revoked that last year, and it was bifurcated into the union territory of Jammu and Kashmir and Ladakh. RBI keeps key policy rates unchanged. It allows bank to restructure corporate individuals loan. The Reserve Bank of India kept its powder dry in the third review of the monetary policy since COVID-19 pandemic spread in the country, leaving key policy rates unchanged in the face of the rising inflation pressure, but asserted that propping up economic recovery has assumed primacy in the worst peacetime health and economic crisis in the last 100 years. The central bank did not extend the moratorium on the loan prepayments offered to borrowers beyond August 31st, but allowed banks to restructure loans from the large corporates, micro, small and medium enterprise, as well as individuals to help stem the rising stress on the incomes and balance sheets. These restructuring of efforts may or may not include a moratorium on installment repayments, the RBI said, leaving the decision to banks with an eye on averting such loans from the slipping into non-performing assets. A large number of homes that otherwise maintain a good track record under existing promoters face the challenge of their debt burden becoming disproportionate relating to cash flow generation ability. This can potentially impact their long-term viability and pose significantly financial stability risk with its jobs taking hit to across the sectors. Thank you so much. Wish you all the best. God bless. God bless Bharat.